Well, hundreds of protesters today marching in Manhattan demanding the release of a Columbia University grad student taken into custody by ICE over the weekend. Well, tonight, a federal judge temporarily blocking the deportation of Mahmoud Khalil, a pro-Palestinian activist. Eyewitness News reporter Sonia Rincon live in Harlem tonight with the latest. Sonia?
Sade, tonight many people who agree with Mahmoud Khalil are finding common ground with many who don't support his views on Israel and Gaza. There is a shared sense of outrage that a green card holder could be detained by ICE and deemed dangerous over political speech. And tonight together they are asking, how is it that he is now a political prisoner in America?
We are not afraid of the Trump administration.
Marching to Union Square tonight, hundreds of people calling for Mahmoud Khalil's immediate release from immigration detention. The Columbia grad student, set to formally graduate in May, is currently being held at a facility in Louisiana. A judge today blocked Khalil's removal, setting a hearing for Wednesday at the very federal courthouse where the protesters began their march this afternoon.
Free Mahmoud Khalil!
Outside the main Columbia campus today, a small group protested Khalil's detention Saturday night at the university-owned building where he lives, while the White House posted a message calling him a radical foreign pro-Hamas student, saying his arrest is the first of many to come.
I am here today because I know in my bones as an American Jew how dangerous it is when the government starts abducting legal residents that they disagree with.
Outside Columbia's School of the Arts building early this evening, faculty and alumni, many of them Jewish, also gathered to send a message, both to Khalil.
I am mortified as an American, as a Jew, and as an alumnus of this institution that you have been taken into ICE custody.
And to the university.
President Armstrong, I am concerned that you may not have done enough to protect Mahmoud.
Khalil was a student negotiator last year when protesters camped out on campus. He was also at the Barnard College sit-in last week.
He was filmed participating in that sit-in or being present there, and as a result, various people tweeted, including one of our colleagues, directly at Marco Rubio asking for his arrest and deportation.
A social media post from Secretary Rubio also warned that green cards of Hamas supporters would be revoked so that they can be deported. Tonight, one of Khalil's attorneys tells ABC News Live the State Department seems to be invoking a broad and vague immigration authority, deeming him a national security threat, but that it can't use that to remove him over constitutionally protected speech.
This is a preposterous and dangerous extension of that authority, and it's basically meant to remove spies, not individuals engaged in human rights activism.
Now, according to his attorney's court filings, the agents who detained Khalil were surprised that he showed them his green card, not a student visa, but that they took him anyway and didn't tell his wife where they were taking him. Tonight, Columbia University's acting president in a statement said any rumors that school leadership invited ICE to campus are not true, and that those federal agents need to produce a judicial warrant to enter any campus buildings. We're live in Harlem. Sonia Rincon, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.